Hi everyone and welcome to Advanced Installer YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a single bundle installation for multiple applications. Here's the Suite Installer app you'll have by the end of this tutorial. This approach provides users with a modern installation experience like a custom app store where they can choose which apps to install. In this example, there are just 2 applications, but you can add as many as you need. You can create the packages with Advanced Installer as separate projects, or you can use packages you already have. Maybe you work as an IT professional and want to build a suite containing different applications. For this demo, we've included our own applications, namely Advanced Installer and PacKit. Now, let's get started. First, let me show you how to create the project. Open Advanced Installer and select the dedicated Suite Installer template. Once the project is created, head over to the product details page to set up basic information about your Suite Installer app. I've already configured a demo project and we will use this as our starting point. The next step is to add the applications you want to include in the bundle. For this, navigate to the Packages view. As you can see, I've already added and configured the Advanced Installer package. Now, let's add the PacKit tool so we match the Suite Installer app shown at the beginning of this tutorial. To do it, click the New Package button and select the package. Now, let's set it up. By default, packages are added using the local files protocol. You'll need to provide the URL from which each package can be downloaded. If needed, you can also define custom actions to run before or after package installation. For a better user experience, packages can be silently installed. You can set this up in the Installation tab. For MSI packages, use the QN command line option. If any of the packages require admin privileges during installation, you should enable the Run as Administrator option from the Install Parameters page. This ensures that elevation happens only once before downloading and installing the packages. Otherwise, one of the 2 issues may occur. Each package installation will no longer be silent as it will be interrupted by elevation prompts, or the installation will fail. To define installation conditions, go to the Conditions tab. These conditions determine the supported Windows versions and help the Suite Installer check whether the package is already installed or if the installation was successful. For MSI packages, Advanced Installer is able to detect the install condition automatically. For exe packages, you need to define the proper install condition. Now, let's move to the Suite tab. Here we can configure how each package appears in the Suite Installer app. This includes setting the application name, description, the publisher, and the end user license agreement. You can also upload a logo for each package to improve visual identification. Additionally, you can add images to the gallery section. The first image will appear in the carousel on the Home tab, while the rest will show up in the screenshot carousel in the Apps Details view. Now that everything is set up, it's time to build the Suite Installer project. Advanced Installer will generate an MSI package that installs your Suite Installer app. Once installed, you can access the custom app store. You can also find it in the Start menu, so you can return to it anytime you need. It will display all the applications available for installation, all displaying their names, descriptions, and logos as configured. To install an app from the list, simply select it and in the new view that opens, click Add and then Install. Alternatively, you can go to the library and click the Add button next to the app you want to install, and then click Install. Once an application is installed, the user will see the option to open it, but this will only appear if the Launch Application section is properly configured. Whether you use a registry, INI, or file search, it must return the path to the executable you want to launch. And one last thing, you'll notice a help section in the Suite installer. It includes two buttons, Get Help and Send Feedback. These launch the URLs you specify in the product details page. And that's all. For more guides and tutorials, check out the Advanced Installer YouTube channel or visit the Advanced Installer blog.